Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, fellow humans. Today we are exploring the beautiful attribute Al-Hamid, the most praiseworthy. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the most praiseworthy. He is the one praised by all existence. Praising is honoring with respect and thankfulness to the Great One who gives infinite gifts. All that exist praise Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala with their tongues, with their actions, or simply by their very existence. He is the only one who is finally worthy of devotion, of respect, of thankfulness, and of praise. How can one praise another than He in His presence, while all is from Him? He is the source of all gifts and all perfection. He has given us life, a beautiful form, strength, intelligence, language, so many wonders directly. He has given us further gifts through the hands of other people or mediation of His other creatures. These gifts praise Allah. The one through whom these gifts came, praise Allah. Should we not praise Allah? Man invented the computer, which works, speaks, writes, communicates, and captures the forms and the sounds of things. The machine itself, in doing these things, praises its inventor. It is in this way that all nature praises Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala with its existence and its function. The people who use and benefit from that computer praise its inventor. That is how the servant praises the Creator. Then the inventor praises himself. Allah, the inventor of all this, praises Himself and is not in need of the praise of any other. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, in His mercy and generosity, has ordered human beings to perform certain duties for our own good and to escape from certain evils for our own peace and salvation. There are such duties to be executed at every hour of one's life. When we perform these duties at their appointed times, we receive both material benefit and spiritual joy and wisdom, especially if these tasks are consciously performed for Allah's sake. A reward of special enlightenment comes with such action. Humanity learned what it knows in that way and has advanced in that way. With what Allah forbade people to do, He protects us from the hellfire. The greatest of all sins is kufr, denial. Denial is the opposite of praise. Imagine the benefactor of a community who has helped everyone, from whom everyone has equally profited, and furthermore, on whom the life and harmony of that society depend. If someone insulted this benefactor, denied his good deeds, what would the community that loved and respected him do? They would all be angry and hostile, vengeful toward that person. Even though that person had not done any harm to the people directly, all the people would hate him and curse him and try to destroy him because he had insulted the benefactor. The people would consider the harm done to all of them. That is how, if one denies Allah's existence, criticizes His canons, or minimizes His perfect qualities and beneficent doings, one is cursed not only by men but by all creation, since there is no place which is not His such a one will not be able to escape. We take refuge from him, in him. All praise is due to the Lord of the whole creation, who leads us from darkness to light, who clears our hearts of the night of denial and fills them with the divine light of faith. As the Muslims say in reciting Surah Fatiha in every daily prayer, Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Praise belongs to God, Lord of the worlds. So who is Abdul Hamid? Abdul Hamid is the servant to whom Allah shows himself with his most beautiful attributes. All those beauties become manifest in such a one. All people praise that person who praises only Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. If someone whose faith, worship and character befit a Muslim recites this name 99 times after the Fajr prayer, Allah will enlighten that person's day. If someone recites this name 66 times after morning and evening prayers, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will beautify his words and actions. If someone recites this name 100 times after each of the 5 daily prayers, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will count that person among his devotee servants who will be loved and served by all people and every living creature. If someone has a foul mouth, is writing Ya Hameed on a cup and drinking from it regularly may refine his speech. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.